all of that we talk say what we they do. No get head. Last. Now on our head we go cut, put there, go get head. I dey tell you, if you put head, say what we they do, no get head. Now your head will take complete the job. Now, I don't know how our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, had to deal with these people that betrayed him. I don't know, because the thing is so...
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around the globe. Yes, my wonderful people. On this video that you're about to watch, please do well to watch this video to the very end of it. Don't skip any part of this video. Watch this video to the very end of it. As you're watching, don't forget to share this video, like this video, spread this message, let this video go viral. Yes, because this video that you're about to watch, it's worth watching. You will not regret watching the video. Yes, as you're watching, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message, and do well and touch your hand for notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yes, always condemn it if we don't condone it. Yes, because all we do here is just to bring the truth to naked it, all of us.
So bad. And then the same people, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu got kidnapped from Kenya, and our prime minister came up, which is Mazi Simon Ekpa, and a lot of people, the same set of people that was, against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, now went back and started, fighting Mazi Simon Ekpa. Now, Mazi Simon Ekpa was called in for questioning before the declaration of Biafran independent state on the 29th of November 2024. These same people, they now turned around again and start supporting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and now say, oh, they must release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Now, I want to ask Biafrans, genuine Biafrans that are listening to me today, do you see that at the end of the day, our problem really is not the Nigerian government? And I'm saying this for a reason. Our problem is the sabos, the people who are ready to sell their conscience because of money. That is the problem we have, the Igbo money problem. And I'm telling you, this is the biggest problem that the Igbos have. Now, if somebody approaches me and tell me to go and, betray my brother for a certain amount of money, it is left for me to say no, that this is evil. I can't do it. That what you are asking me to do, it is not good for my own, it is not good for my own sanity. Not to talk of, using this method to take lives. So you could see what our leaders went through, or what they are going through in the hands of this betrayer. My brother, last, nobody should be allowed themselves to be bought in this struggle. Because once you are bought, your mind will be polluted to, any kind of money that the government will give you to betray your people. And this is the reason why our prime minister and our supreme leader is in perpetual bondage, because of these same people. And what have we decided to do? What we have decided to do in this very struggle is to take the bull by the horn and fight for the independent state of Biafra for real. Now, when I said that the government of Nigeria was never our problem, if somebody comes to you and tell you, take 50 million naira or $20,000 to betray your brother, because you know that where you are going tomorrow, by the special grace of God, if the thing emanates to become reality, that you will make or gain more than that money that the Nigerian terrorist government are trying to give you in order to sell your conscience. But because you are just money mongers, poverty is eating you people up. That is why you sell out to sell your people. These our leaders, they really try to have stayed with this kind of animals around them, to have kept this kind of animals around them. And I'm telling you, this is something I cannot comprehend in my imagination. How Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Mazi Simon Ekpa was able, to deal with this kind of people around them, to hang around with such people that betrayed him in this struggle. But at the end of the day, Biafranas, I have to tell you the truth. Finally, Madam Morabeza has risen to the occasion, and Biafra has been redeclared. But let me shock you that in few weeks to come, the Biafran Prime Minister will join us. That is the shocker. And that is just the simple truth. Because the truth has to be said the way it is. All of these people that betrayed our supreme leader and our prime minister, what will be your excuse? That is the question. What will be your excuse? That you just woke up and decided that you have to choose money over people's life. This is seriously evil. And I ask again, what will be your excuse? If you are able to give me that, then we know that there is we are heading somewhere anyways. Let me stop my video here. Biafrans, we are heading home. Thank you guys, and may God bless you all.
Obasanjo said that the killings in the counter coup were senseless. Army officers of Igbo origin were killed in Abeokuta, in Ikeja,
3 of them,
in the north, and northerners and military officers then went to town, and Igbos were targeted. That was what you saw.
Yes.
In Kaduna. Igbo men and women were killed, even children.
Yes.
That's what you call the pogrom.
Yes.
And because of the pogrom, there was war. Yes. In 1967, you joined the Nigerian army.
Yes.
After you have witnessed the pogrom.
The program, yes.
You joined the Nigerian army during wartime.
Yes.
When did you realize that it was a pogrom? Was it before you joined the army or after you have left the army?
I saw everything. I was a living witness. Then after the war, I decided to write my book.
Why did you join the army to fight Biafra?
To keep Nigeria one. That was the slogan to us. There was no any other slogan rather than to keep Nigeria one.
So by the time you were joining the army, you believed that the Igbo nation was wrong?
Anyway, but later on I discovered that they were not wrong. I was in the trench for 20 months, fighting day and night. 20 months without being posted to the rear or transferred from the trench until the end of the war. And I saw how the Biafrans were determined with zeal to fight us. They were fighting for survival. Even it came to a point in 1969 when a lot of soldiers realized that the war was fruitless. It's not the war that only the ordinary people were being killed in the war front, and those who caused the war were not affected. People started to inflict themselves with injury to be taken to the rear, but until Obasanjo came to save the situation and ended the war. If not, and I believe I stated in my book there how Biafra surrender. It was not much of our firepower or anything. It was hunger. It was hunger. It was hunger. Because when we block the Cameroon border through road, Calabar, and we block Port Harcourt through air, Biafra was not having any access to outside world through air, through water, through land. So they were in a desperate situation by then, and they were affected by hunger. I think that factor alone affected the people, the Biafran soldiers on the battlefield. You see.